Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we are going to open our Boxy charm, and I swear to you this is the Boxy charm from September, not October. I never get it this early. Let's see what we got. Well, we got a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D and K-Dub. I think I have this, so I'm going to set that aside. Then we got a full-size Superhero It mascara. Yes. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. This is the pharmacy brand Green Clean. This is a makeup cleansing balm. Yes. I'm very excited. Yes. Exciting. And then we have a Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And then lastly, from Pure Cosmetics, we have a Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. If I can find where I put my cutter. Okay, so on this side it's blushes, on this side over here it's eyeshadows. It's all shimmer shadows except for one, and one of these blushes you may be able to use as a contour, but I'll do a look with this and put it on the end of this video where I use the products that came with this today. Alright guys, I'll be back in a few minutes with that look. Alright everybody, we're back. We're back with a little bit of a different hair look. This will not look the same as I did yesterday, because it is not yesterday anymore, it's today. And I've gotten a haircut since then. Oh, I'm so sorry, my eyes are just... Ugh. Alright, so I've already put some foundation on because I wanted to do a look with this Pure palette that came in our Boxy charm. I'm sorry, I'm looking for the eyeliner that was in it as well. That was not in this Boxy charm. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me get they lock this thing down like Fort Knox, like it's gonna help. So that's what it looks like on the inside. We have some green and purple, and just so happens I have my green and purple on because I'm absolutely crazy. And we're gonna do a little bit of a look with this thing. First off, I'm going to try and use this shade right here to bronze. It is shimmer. Ugh, it's falling out everywhere. Oh, I think you're gonna have to be a bronzy blushy bronze, because it just probably not the right shade for me to do that with. But I wanted to try it because, you know what, it washes off. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright, and we'll try this Twilight shade right here as a highlighter. And see what we think. Okay, I can get with it. It's a little bit goldish, but that's alright. We're gonna go for a very simple look today. Like, you know, like, let me rephrase something. Simple as in not a long time, but what is going on with my phone? Phone's going crazy. My pump's going crazy. Nothing is responding to the storm very well. Okay. So we are going to go right in with this brown. I'm not going to set my eyes because I didn't put anything primer down. I'm going to go in with that. Let's see how pigmented that is. Alright, I got you, brown. I got you. We're going to use that up in our crease. We're going to blend it out. This palette has a smell to it. I'm not quite sure what it is. It's not a bad smell, but it has a smell. Has scent. Scented. At first I thought it was like a vanilla scent, but I don't think that's what it is. Alright, let's get this stuff blended. I feel like I can make this work. I can make just about anything work, but I prefer things that I don't have to work so hard at. This has been my experience with pure stuff. Alright. Let's just see something. Should get a little bit darker up there. This might be the last look I do today. Well, I'm tired. I got a voiceover to do. Crap. My eyeballs are icky. Not blending well. It's not blending well. It's not doing what I wanted to do at all. Okay. We're going to go into that purple shade right there and see what that looks like in the middle part of my eye. Falling out. Put a little bit more on and go on our other eye. Alright. Go in with another brush, and I think I'm going to go into this green. The purple was called Disclose, the green is called Mask Off. I like the green and purple together. Blending it together. Blending it together. That brown, we're going to do some more. All I can think of is Liz saying, blend, 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 blend. Blending and blending, Liz is just blending into nothing. Alright, Pup. I've heard you for the last time. Oh, you're dropping. I'm not going to give you more insulin. Okay. So I think I'm going to take that green and start to put it under my eyes some. And maybe the purple instead of the brown. Let's see what we can do. Put that green up into our inner corner. Like it's coming around my eye. Now, alright, now we'll go into the purple. And blend that. Okay. Let's put a little something on our lid, on our eyebrows. Just a little something. That eyebrow mascara that I've got somewhere on this desk and I cannot see it. Oh, tricked myself. See, it's like I got one spot on my lid I cannot get covered. I feel like if I put it too high up, it's gonna, see, it just won't blend. Ugh! So, I'm sorry, Björn. I really try to like you. I love the Soiree Diaries palette they have. It's like one of my favorites. This, I love the green, I love the purple, but the brown is just not working. It's like it's just not going to blend. I'm getting frustrated about it. What I may do, I'm going to try something. Because I'm not one to give up. I'm just putting a little brow mascara, brow gel, whatever they call it, on my eyeballs. And where's my pencil brush? Maybe I can fix this with a pencil brush. Nothing you can't fix with a pencil brush, I tell you what. Get in there, get this. It won't be as smoothed out as I want it to be, but it will work. Put some mascara on. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. So we got this It Cosmetics mascara, the superhero. Put that on. I like this. I've only ever had a sample of this, and I liked it for a little bit. Wow. We are going to put a bright purple lip on just because I feel like it. And we can, right? I mean, So I think I have that Kat Von D color. So I don't want to use that. What does that mean? Yes. I'm going to use this one. I'll probably put that in a little giveaway because I know I have that color somewhere. Alright everybody, so this is my look using the Pure Cosmetics palette. It took some work, but kind of like the way it turned out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Mwah!